sectors like mid caps will outperform. Already you've seen stocks like DLF and Godrej Property be real outperformers. इसके अलावा आपने देखा है ऑटोज, आपने देखा है mortgage companies, and HDFC Bank has been leading from the front. Even PSU banks, particularly Bank of Baroda, which has been my top favorite, has done very well. PNB and State Bank have also joined the rally. Now that comes to the point, what are the macros? Macros आप सबको पता है that the Fed is, see, there is a simple equation which talks of a recession when the 2-year yield goes above the 10-year. The differential in both those was 110 points. It's now down to 45 basis points. वो बता रहा है कि market is pricing in that by July, the Fed will start to cut rates, and there can be 100 basis point of rate cut by the end of the year, which means the US dollar is going to weaken. Already we've seen the US dollar hit 100.5. It's close to 102. मुझे कोई दो राय नहीं, the US dollar is going to go to 98, और उस कारण से emerging markets will do extremely well. If you remember 4 or 5 months back, there was talk that Europe is the deepest, it's the biggest elephant in the room. All European indices are hitting new highs, the CAC, the FTSE and the DAX. And that is telling us smart money has bought the dip in those markets. China has seen a huge outperformance as money went from India to other emerging markets, but now it's the return of India. और मुझे कोई दो राय नहीं that you will be surprised on the upside. So please be invested. अगर आपके डीमैट अकाउंट हैं उनमें चालू रखिए, सिप रखिए और ऑल अकाउंट खोलिए, क्योंकि सिप्स आर यूनिवर्सल. इस मार्केट की बैकबोन इज द रिटेल इन्वेस्टर. 14,500 करोड़ का सिप इवन इन द मंथ ऑफ मार्च केम, विच टेल्स अस कि ये जो पैसा है ये रुकने वाला नहीं है. और उस कारण से आपको HDFC, रिलायंस या TCS ये सस्ते नहीं मिलेंगे, और बिकॉज दीज आर द ब्लू चिप्स और द बैकबोन ऑफ द मार्केट. एज फार एंड फॉरेनर्स गो, आफ्टर सेलिंग होल लॉट दे अगेन बिकम बायर्स. और मुझे कोई दो राय नहीं, न्यू मनी विल कम एज ETF flows see yields fall and better strength in emerging market currencies and equities. In this, our demographics are playing to the hilt. Car sales, auto sales, and real estate. I mean, DLF sold 8,000 crore property in 1 week. तो मुझे कोई दो राय नहीं that certain stock sectors are going to outperform. Metals are a very good proxy. मैंने पिछली बार ये और आपको अभी भी पीछे कहा था कि metals लीजिए, they are a very good proxy to a falling dollar. और मैं 4-5 दिन से 2 हफ्ते से कह रहा था प्रसाद को, सारी टीम को, जब हम बाकू गए थे, metals will outperform. Metals are up almost 10% from the recent lows, and I think they will make new highs. इस दौरान there will be volatility because you must realize Infosys is a key stock owned by both foreigners and Indian mutual funds, and balancing act will see rotation of money from one to the other. Infosys guidance was weak, but the order book is very strong. So take it with a pinch of salt के Infosys कभी भी 2-3 साल में ऐसी फॉल देता है, वो एक लेने का मौका है, लेकिन आपको 2 क्वार्टर तक वेट करना है. On the other hand, metals, autos, real estate, mortgage companies, your consumption is doing extremely well. Godrej Consumer, Nestle are hitting new all-time highs, and I don't have any two things to say that demographic premium is playing very, very well. Indian Hotel has also hit a new high. Inflation का जो risk था वो mitigate हो रहा है. Now we will depend on the monsoon and the output of our soft commodities and so on. But that will be a little bit delayed. On the other hand, the inflation, particularly in the US, is showing signs of easing. आपने already 5% से भी नीचे आ गए हैं, और मुझे कोई दो राय नहीं, the new readings which will come will bring inflation down to 4%, which means the Fed will have to be on hold for a long time and will start to cut rates by July. ये तो मैक्रो था. अब आपको ये करना है कि पार्टिसिपेट करना है. Whether you buy a mutual fund, you create your portfolio, you buy an AMC or a PMS, that is all on the risk appetite you have. But please make an asset class called equity in your portfolio. आप सबके पास सोना है, जमीन है और फिक्स्ड इनकम है.